fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Kuba.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dinosaur. Not British.
Kuba, where is the ball?
The ball is in the box.
Very good. Kuba, what is this?
This is cat.
Kuba, what is the cat like?
The cat is small.
Kuba, what is his job?
He is farmer.
A farmer. And Kuba, what is his job?
His is
A
fisherman.
Fisherman. Very good. Now, Kuba, what are these?
These are notebooks.
What color are the notebooks? They
are brown, black and red.
Excellent. Now, what are those?
Those are windows.
What color are the windows?
They are red and orange.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.
Bye bye bye.